Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever tried to create a map visual in Power BI and run into that pesky map and filled map visuals are enabled error, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to walk you through step by step how to enable map and filled map visuals in Power BI so you can transform raw location data into eye-catching maps and unlock the full power of your reports. By the end of this tutorial, you'll not only know how to fix the error, but also understand why these settings matter for your mapping needs. So let's jump right in. First, go ahead and open up your Power BI desktop. Take a moment for it to load. Sometimes Power BI starts up a bit slowly, so don't worry if it takes a few seconds. Once you're in, you should see your report canvas ready to go. If you already have a report open, that's perfect. If not, feel free to start a new one just for testing. Next, look over to the right side of your screen where the visualizations pane is. Here, click on the map icon. It kind of looks like a globe or a pinpoint. This instantly drops a new map visual onto your report canvas. Now this is where a lot of folks hit a wall. You drag your location field, maybe it's a city, country, region, or address, into the location well on the map visual. You expect something beautiful to pop up, but instead you get an error or nothing shows at all. That's totally normal, and it usually means map visuals just aren't enabled in your Power BI settings yet. So let's fix that. First, move your mouse up to the top left corner where it says File. Click there and a menu drops down. From here, navigate to Options and Settings and then click on Options. It might sound a bit tucked away, and you may have to wait a moment for the options window to appear, especially if your report is a bit large. In the Options menu, look over to the left panel and scroll down until you find Security. Click on Security. This is where Power BI hides some of its most important features related to data privacy and global settings. Inside the Security section, you'll see a checkbox labeled Map and Filled Map Visuals. Make sure this box is checked. What you're doing here is turning on the ability for your reports to use map visuals, which may be off by default in some organizations for privacy reasons. Once you check that box, all that's left is to click OK at the bottom of the window. Power BI will save your settings, and you might want to give it a moment to process. Sometimes, especially after updating settings, things can lag briefly. That's it. Head back to your report and try dragging your location data onto the map visual again. You should now see your data displayed right on the map, ready to explore and analyze. If you run into any delays or it doesn't work right away, just double-check that you enabled the setting and try restarting Power BI. Sometimes that helps the new settings take effect. So there you have it. Enabling map and filled map visuals in Power BI is quick, it's straightforward, and it unlocks a powerful way to tell stories with your data. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a like, drop a comment with any questions below, and don't forget to subscribe for more Power BI tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy mapping.